let's be real, DJI is, in my opinion, they're way ahead of all of these other manufacturers. And it seems like we're severely limiting what we can do just to say, well, this thing's not made in China or something, when almost everything we have is made in China. I don't know. What are your thoughts on just that security pragmatism versus using the best technology for the job, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I'm really all about, if we did have an American made drone company, I feel like that would be the way to go. But I think, obviously, like you said, DJI kind of is on the forefront of a lot of things. And I think a lot of the reason for that is because they had a good product and everyone in industry got behind them initially. Right. So they had a lot of backing and they had a lot of, income coming in with people buying their products. And I don't think we've seen that same thing yet with American companies. And even some of the drones that are on the Blue UAS list are foreign companies that have just been cleared, based on certain parts or whatnot that's used in them. They make the list. But I think what we would really need to see is kind of that industry backing of, one company really that's going to just, go all in and kind of be able to go, put out these top of the line, products like DJI has been able to. And then hopefully that would, give us some options that are a lot more integrated, because now it's kind of like, separate companies. It's like, okay, do you want a fixed wing drone? You can buy it from, this company. You want a quadcopter? You can get it from this company. So I think, there are some companies out there doing really great things and they have great products. But it's just not quite where industry has kind of backed anyone specifically yet.
You see a lot of information out there about Skydio, which is made in the United States. I went to a demo, and the demo was great. I mean, they were able to do some automated 3D mapping, which was really cool. But you couldn't swap out the sensors. Their program for how you actually pay for the drone is silly. They wanted you to buy a subscription to the software, and then they would send you the drone. It was some silly thing like that, But I'd like to see a good American manufacturer make something cool in the United States, and everyone get on board with it. I'm with you there. That'd be something.